Hello student, today I am explaining with you fourth reagent diazomethane. Short form of diazomethane is CH2N2. Diazomethane is mainly used for methylating agent, means introducing methyl group in any compound. Diazomethane is used. Here general method of diazomethane preparation involves alkaline hydrolysis of various N-nitroso, N-alkyl amides. They undergo elimination on treatment with base to give diazomethane. The most convenient method uses N-nitroso, N-methyl amide. Here I am showing the reaction N-nitroso, N-methyl amide in ether solvent is ether to form diazomethane CH2N2 plus water molecule plus RCONA. Here diazomethane is highly reactive yellow toxic gas, often explosive. So often it is synthesized in C2 by adding potassium carbonate. I am showing here second reaction, potassium carbonate to the alcoholic solution of N-nitroso-methyl urea. Here urea NH2CO NH2. Then one of the NH2 group, here N attached to CH3 group and NO group. NO is the nitroso. Therefore name of this compound N-nitroso-methyl urea. React with K2CO3 in ether solvent, formation of diazomethane plus CO2 plus H2O plus 2KnCO. These are the two methods of preparation of diazomethane. Then after preparation of diazomethane, we study here applications of diazomethane. It reacts rapidly and cleanly, giving high product yield. It is soluble in ether and can be used safely. Its main use is for methylation. Therefore, here first we study the reaction of methylation. Then I am showing here first reaction HCl plus CH2N2, that is diazomethane. HCl hydrochloric acid, it is also called as mineral acid. Then mineral acid react with diazomethane to formation of a methyl chloride plus N2, CH3Cl plus N2. Then I am showing again second reaction here, RCOOH, that is carboxylic acid plus CH2N2 diazomethane gives methyl ester, that is RCOOCH3, and N2 is released in the form of a N2 gas. Therefore introducing CH3 is methylation reaction. Then third reaction C6H5OH, that is the phenol, react with diazomethane, C6H5OH plus CH2N2 diazomethane, formation of here C6H5O remains as it is, then H attached to the CH2 group converted to the CH3 and formation of C6H5O CH3 plus N2, that is the methyl ether. Then I am showing here fourth reaction, ROH, general formula for alcohol. ROH react with diazomethane in presence of BF3 and ether. Here in case of OH, H attached to the CH2 converted to the ROCH3. Name of this compound O-methyl ether. ROR, this linkage is the ether, therefore formation of O-methyl ether by releasing N2 gas. Then fourth reaction, secondary amine, that is R2NH. I am showing here general reaction, R2NH plus CH2N2, formation of R2NCH3, that is N-methyl amine, R2NCH3 plus N2. This is the 5 reactions are examples of methylation. This is the First application of diazomethane is the methylation. Then second application of diazomethane is the preparation of higher ketones. Then I am showing here reaction preparation of higher ketone here RCOR dash plus CH2N2 formation of RCOCH2 R dash. This is the higher ketone. Second application of diazomethane is the preparation of higher ketone. Then third one is the preparation of diazo ketones. For preparation of diazo ketone, I am taking here acid chloride, any acid chloride. Suppose acetic acid chloride is the CH3COCl. I am taking general formula RCOCl. Acid chloride react with diazomethane to form diazo ketone. They are versatile compounds used to form products like acid, ester and amide. Therefore RCOCl plus CH2N2 formation of RCOCHN2 diazoketone plus HCl. This is the third application of diazomethane. Then application number 4 is the synthesis of heterocyclic compound. Heterocyclic compounds means carbocyclic compound containing one of the heteroatom is called as the heterocyclic compound. Then fourth application of diazomethane is the synthesis of a heterocyclic compound. Diazomethane condenses with ethylenic and acetylenic bond to form a heterocyclic compound. I am taking first here example ethylene plus diazomethane CH2N2 formation of here pyrazolene, here 5-membered ring containing 2 nitrogen atom. Therefore name of this compound pyrazolene. Then instead of ethylene I am taking here acetylene. Acetylene react with diazomethane CH triple bond CH plus CH2N2, here formation of pyrazole. Pyrazole 5-membered ring containing 2 nitrogen atom. This structure is known as the pyrazole. Means pyrazole and pyrazolene is the heterocyclic compound. And last application of diazomethane is formation of carbene. What is meant by carbene? Carbene is the divalent carbon species is called as the carbene. Therefore CH2N2 photolysis of diazomethane yields extremely reactive carbon species. Therefore CH2N2 formation of carbene, I am showing the structure CH2 2 dots. This is the carbene plus N2. Therefore photolysis of diazomethane yields extremely reactive carbene species. Thank you for listening.